Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm not going to play Paper.io. I'm going to play Slither.io. What should I name myself? Wee. Let me change my skin. This one's really popular, so I should use this one. I'm actually gonna make myself one. I'm gonna spam random colors. Okay, this is not going too well. Okay. What's the... Okay, this'll be it. Save. Let's go. I'm actually not very good at this game. So... yeah. There you go. You might see some very... yeah. Why is it so cold down here? I'm in my basement right now and it's really cold. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. I'm supposed to be going down here. Oh, hello. Even though it's not a very good idea to get into the middle, it's the best strat is to get at least 1,000 and then what is going on? Then move up the map and move up the map into the to the more remote areas. Oh, I think this guy wants to kill me. Okay. Yeah! What the? Okay, I don't know how that just happened. Okay, this guy really wants to go. So I'll go, bro. Oh, come on. We failed. Okay, let me just make my way to the middle. I will kill this guy. Never mind. Oh, hello. Okay. That guy just committed suicide. And this guy's dead. So I can weaken my boost. Stuff. If you didn't know, when you boost, you actually lose math. Math? Did I just say math? Mass. So watch my thing down here. Hey, wait, let me just, hold on, I'm gonna have to do that again. Ooh, a remainder of a meal. Let me just get a bit bigger. Yes, God is definitely real. I'm surprised I don't see any I hate Trumps on the leaderboard. I think this is enough. So watch my score down in the bottom left corner when I boost. See, it goes down. It just went from 150 to 130. Oh, hello. So yeah, the boost does make you lose, mass, but it's like, if you get like a big kill, then it won't matter, but you will lose some mass when you boost. Oh, he just took a drink. Oh, Trump. Oh, okay, I found a Trump thing. Number one died, sadly. God is not real anymore. What is that name? Target fire up hards? Go away. No, you don't. Isn't Worms like a show or something? Or is it just a plain game? Or am I just being dumb? Oh god, there's a lot going on. Oh, that guy just got massive! Ah, what the... Oh, I should have went this way, not this way. It's actually much harder on laptop than it is on computer. So... Okay, I'm not gonna... I had a plan to stream. I'm actually not going to stream. Because my mom isn't allowing me to. So... Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Please tell me. I want to kill abolish police in prison. I want to kill them so badly. In order to do that, I'm just... Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, that probably wasn't the wisest move, but I'm just gonna see if I can kill this guy. Ooh, yeah, I got him. I'm just sticking down with this mass. I have to get... I'm going the wrong way again. I have to get to the middle. I hope someone abolish police in prisons. Or are you a member of some gang or something? Get clapped. No, I won't get clapped. He tried. Oof, he just clapped that guy. Oh god, I was gonna take him, but... Oh, hello. Fine. You wanted to die? I'll kill you. Oof. As long as you don't kill me! Yeah, there you go. Oh, that guy died as well. Okay, I went up by like 400 and that. Now 500. So, that went well. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the leaderboard. I don't much enjoy this game. Oh, I think this is an Indian guy. Yeah, I don't much enjoy this game. I'm just playing it because it's a popular game, and popular games are popular games, and everybody wants to see popular games. How was my final at 235? Wasn't it like 700? Bruh. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. No. Fine. You tried. Try, brother. Okay, never mind. I tried. I'm out. Grass. Why does my dad have these weird bookmarks? Oh, that was so close. Charlie? Oh, okay, never mind. Please tell me in the comments how long I should make my videos. Because this is only my 4th video I've ever made. Look at this guy's name. This is only the 4th video I've ever made. So, please tell me how long I should make my videos. Most people have them at least 12 minutes. Yes, okay. Should I do that? I don't know. Tell me in the comments. He's still alive! Ah. Oh, Yo died. Oh, poop. What a nice name. Did it. Okay, so once I die, I'm gonna leave it there because my dad has to use this laptop for work. So, I'm gonna. Oh! What the? Okay. Die, please. Yay. Oh, I think it just left. Yes, go! Huge accomplishment. I got a big snake. Yeah, I think it just moved to the garage. This guy died. Yay. Oh, I just got huge. Oh, I just got so huge. Well, now I'm slow. Tasty. Oh shoot, I have to go. I'm just gonna keep on boosting until I die. Yeah, I'm surprised I survived that long. Abolish police and prison ordinance number 3. There you go. So I'm gonna leave it here. Please like and subscribe and tell me how long I should make my videos. I think this is a reasonable time. So see you later. Goodbye.